Okay, and here we are with one more view of this quick demonstration. This time I put the wooden guides closer together. Now the ball will ride on those guides and not fall down into the onto the meter stick at all. And my hope is that after the collision is made, the ball will stay in the track and we can kind of observe what's happening immediately after the collision. So let's see what happens. Okay, so there's roll one. Let's do that again so you can see exactly what's happening here. Okay, so you saw what happened to the block and the ball immediately after the collision. Now let's take a look at this one. Can you tell which is an elastic and which is an inelastic collision? And if you were to be a part of a collision, does this demonstration give you an idea or inkling? Would you rather be involved in a collision that is elastic or inelastic? Think about it and let me know what you think.